back. Keep your head low. He's not so gangster. Packing on way. So you learn not to get me out of the way. Here comes the sunshine. Yeah, oh, it's more. Here comes the sunshine. My boys are thugging, huh? Got to know what's going, and you can hear the cats shooting. So you better learn not to step there to that dance. Here comes my better to go for. Here comes my now. Here comes my better to go for. Hey! All of them are less than 18 months. So just give you a little bit of an idea. So I've got 2 teams for you that they will take individually. They'll do half the song each for you. Okay? Alright. Second time. Right. Dance together, please. Yeah. dream of those kids we met, rolling down Route 66, it's a love like this. Put your hands together for Jamie and Sam. Jeff Elliott. Alright, our next number for you. You think dancing with one lady was different? We have come to do dance with two ladies for you. So she's going to do triples, please. Can we get the team form up to triple wherever you meant to be, please? You're on. You good? Well done, team.
Oh, Jesus. Whoa.
Alright. Next slide, we've got something.
Oh my God.
We've got a couple dancing bus for a little while, and I've got not to move around too much because the bird's not picking it up. Okay. Next, we've got Maddie and Janine. Who's it? Dougie. We've got Doug and Paige. So I'm mixing our time up. Okay, for those of you who enjoyed the performance, come back again at 1 o'clock. We also have a second performance, which is bigger again. We've got two more songs for you for the 11:20 performance. It was supposed to be at 11 o'clock, but we're like 8. Okay, here we go. We've got Dougie and Paige for you. They've been dancing together for a little while now. Well, we say for a little while, it's less than 3 years, so they're not like some of us dance for 20 or 30 years, things like that. So most of the teams started been dancing for a very, very short time. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was Doug and Patty.
14-minute vid so
We've
far.
got our last number for this particular segment for you. After that, it's at 1 o'clock. We will run back on. At 1 o'clock, it'll be bigger and better again. For our last numbers, we have, because everybody team up, I don't know how many team we have. Jitterbugs.
What was the last count you did? Had 200,
How many teams do we have? Two by two, please.
Yeah, I found it. And they keep going for miles that way.
Have they done judging yet?
They've judged, they haven't announced.
Did you put the bottle up?
Yeah.
from down to there. How does that sound from down there? Good, yeah, right. Let's go with this, I think. Might have a wonderful one.
We're going to run the demonstration. Alright, thanks folks. Welcome. This is Johnny's Rockers dance performance for you for this afternoon. And hope you guys have a great day. And I'd just like you to introduce you to the team, please. Let's go, folks. Johnny's Rockers. Our first triplets, Jeremy, Bettina, and Jackie. Our next set, Jamie and Samantha. Matt and Janae. Johnny's Rockers.